So let's move on to the map. That's what you all really came here for. Clicking the map button will populate all or part of your vehicles and their last known position to the map. The menu is very interactive. You can choose one vehicle or multiple vehicles. And when you make your selections, the map will resize itself accordingly. Once we've selected a few vehicles, let's take a look at the map legend. Vehicles stopped inside a zone will appear as a star. If a vehicle is moving, it shows up as a triangle, and the tip of the triangle will reflect the direction of travel. When an exception occurs, it will populate on the map as an exclamation point inside of a triangle. An exception is a rule that, if true, will trigger an alert or a notification. Also, on the legend bar at the bottom of the map, you have the option to choose individual exception rules that you want to show on the map. There is a Select All button. There's also a button to remove all if you want to clear that information off of the map. There are also some additional selections up at the top to show weather, add zones, choose some specific map options like to show traffic, and to choose map types as well. When you hover over a vehicle on the map, it will give you a pop-up with some useful information such as the name of the vehicle, the time and date it arrived at the location, as well as the location address, or if it's moving, it will give you some speed information as well.